Just doing a short video of how to test your injectors on a 5 litre V8 Commodore. If you didn't already know, I just did a injector change on this. I did a video, but my storage ran out, so I apologise. But I bought these blue injectors. I've had a few problems with them. So what you do is you give this little clip a bit of a push and disconnect your injector. If it changes the idle speed, obviously that one's working. If it doesn't change the idle speed and it runs just as shitty as usual, then that injector will usually be buggered. As you can see, it's changing the idle speed, so that injector is working. Now sometimes if you want to check an injector, just for curiosity, here's the 4 that I did replace. I know 2 of them are shitty. I use a length of hose as such. Very carefully I put one piece of hose in my ear. For lack of better tools, I connect this injector and I put the hose on the end of the injector, and you should hear it clicking. This one is clicking, but very lightly. This injector was removed because it was faulty. I did do a video, as I said. But I ran out of storage on my phone. They're pretty easy. These 4 bolts. This throttle plate is always better to get it out of the way. And the injector rail will pop out. It will pivot quite high. I apologise, there's no injector removal. I did try, but they're pretty easy. There are clips under there that slot into the injector. They have to be pulled out through the back of the rail. They do become loose at times, so try and tighten them up. I hope it was a little helpful. Thanks guys.